Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix skate crashing issue. So let's start with the first step. Go to the Windows search bar. After that, type in NVIDIA app. Now this will appear. If it's not for some reason, make sure to download it from your browser. After that, come back here, set it up and open it. Now make sure to sign up or log in with your account. After that, go to the left menu and select drivers. And now you need to click on download. This will start downloading and updating the latest driver you have for the graphics card. Just wait for the process to finish. Now for the next step, go to the search bar once again and type in device manager. Click it. This window will pop up. Now look for display adapters. After that, you need to click this side arrow, and now you should go to your graphics cards, NVIDIA or AMD. Right click on it. After that, select update driver, and now click on search automatically for drivers and click close. Close everything. For the next step, open the launcher that you have the game on, which is Steam for me. You'll be redirected right here. Now you need to go to your library where you have the games on. After that, go to collections. In the left menu, search for skate. You will find it. You need to click it. You see this gear icon in the right, click it and click on properties. Once you do that, this will pop up. Go select installed files in the left menu. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted or missing files will be successfully recovered without the need to install the game once again. And that's it. Now, if the problem still occurs, go to this upside arrow in the Windows taskbar and make sure to right click on the launcher, select exit to stop the launcher from working in the background. After that, reopen the launcher. Try that method. If not, make sure to restart your computer and see if that works. And lastly, you have no choice but to reinstall the game from the beginning. And that's it. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.